This is the Samsung Galaxy A23, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, swipe downwards from the status bar, which is located at the top part of your display, in order for the control and notification center to be launched. Then touch and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of, and then tap on this cog icon. View more is not necessary, my bad. At the bottom left corner, you'll find this little QR code icon which you want to click on, and as you can see, the system will provide you with the QR code that you can simply scan with any other device and get it automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. You can also send it through quick share or nearby share functions. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.